Hello everyone. So in this session, we will discuss how to use ZAP, OWASP ZAP for the vulnerability scanning. Okay, so we will see how we can find loopholes, find bugs, or find vulnerabilities using the OWASP ZAP. Okay, so OWASP ZAP is a very powerful tool. Okay, for the scanning. OWASP ZAP. Okay, so it is a cross-platform. We can use it anywhere. We can use it on Linux, on Mac, and on Windows. Okay, so for the Windows, I will show in Windows. Okay, so how to install it? Search for OWASP ZAP download. Okay, click on zapproxy.org. Okay, from here, install for your according to your architecture for 64 or for 32. Okay, click on now. So after installing, the installation process is straightforward. So after installing, open your zap from here. Okay, so in the meanwhile, open your Firefox. Okay, from here, click on settings, manage settings. Okay, type here proxy. Okay, click on settings. Now apply the proxy for the zap. Okay, that is 127.0.0.1 and the port number is 8080. And click on allow use this proxy for HTTPS. Click on OK. Okay, so the proxy has been set now. Now from where is this? Click on start. Okay, just start. Now here, click on no. So this is the interface of the zap. Okay, now you have to click on Firefox, load any website. Let's say test PHP. This one. Test page. Search for it. Now here, click on test PHP. This website. Okay. Now click on continue to load target. Okay. Now we have this web page. Now you can see this web page is loaded on the zap. Yeah, you can see the list of the sites here. Okay, now click on automate scan. Click on select. From here, click on the website you want to scan. That is test PHP and click on select. Okay, click on use traditional spider. Yes, also click on attack. Okay, so this will scan for the vulnerabilities. Okay, so in the alerts option, you can see all the loopholes here, right here. Okay, in the alerts option. So we have four types of flag here: red, orange, yellow, and blue. Blue for the information. Okay, red for the high risk attack, like high risk loophole. Orange for the medium, yellow for the low. Okay, in the spider, you can see here we have this spider is completed. Okay, we have these URLs, and in the Ajax spider, you can see the scan process and click on plus here, add here active scan. Okay, this will start after the Ajax spider scan. Okay, so wait for it. Okay, so in the active scan is it means this will scan for the each and every attack, like for the part transversal attack, for the SQL injection attack, for the XSS attack. So this will scan for each and every attack. Okay, and if there is a vulnerability, so it will display in the alerts tab right here. Okay, you can click on any of this. See, we have these vulnerabilities right here. Okay, all of these is of orange flag. Okay, you can click on here. We have the request and we have the response. Okay, after the attack is completed, you can see the red flag here also. Okay, which is of the high risk. Okay,